Hello guys, it's Genevieve Tabili Norman. Guys, this is Kalan Ho. This kind of flowers, guys. I don't know if it's really Swedish or in the other part of the nation. Basta, I'm trying to make it better, this kind of plants. I want you to know that these plants, you can plant the leaves, the branch. Yung tangkay ba guys, later on I will teaching you how. Kasi parang naguluhan na kayo sa akin eh. Marami akong alam tungturi guys to teaching you how to be talented at all. Isa-isahin pa kasi natin guys eh. Ito siya guys, para siyang cactus. Ito. Tingnan nyo. Lumaki pa siya. I like this kind of plants. Para siyang cactus talaga eh. Ito, bago ko lang itinanim na photos. Ito, yung mga spider plants, baby spider plants, yung nanay nila sa ibaba. Ito guys, Swedish na Swedish ito. Tingnan mo. Guys, it's cold in here, pero mayroon na talaga akong beans. Beans, seedlings, tumubo na talaga sila sa akin guys. Chili, yung chili ko. Mga seedlings na bulaklak. Ako lang nagtanim nito lahat guys. Ako nagtanim nito lahat. Because I really love planting. My heart is in the flowers talaga. My heart. At saka yung mga pagkain. Napuno na talaga yung bahay namin ng mga tanim. It's me. Guys, dito na lang ako. Maraming salamat. Bye.